All right, guys, I'm going to show you a simple way to give yourself some safety with your hot rod and knowing what's happening out there with your motor without having to constantly look at the gauges. Okay, so what we've done here is simply this, is that we have a temperature sensor gauge, or a temperature sensor unit. So when this reaches at 210, it's going to close and complete the ground. So everything is on the ground circuit. You're going to see the beeper. Here's the beeper. It's on the ground circuit. The idiot light's on the ground circuit as well. So when and if this shows that, hey, look, we're overheating, what's going to happen is simply this is going to occur. Now I got to remember, I'm going to remind you that this is imitating the ignition switch. So this would be when you turn the key on, this power would power up, and that switch would turn it on, turn the system on. So that's it. It's simple. Okay, you run your power. Your power is always constant with the key, and your ground is only going to be connected when your sending units are going to be telling it that there's an issue. So this could be your oil pressure gauge saying, hey, look, at below 10 psi, it's going to connect and complete the ground circuit. Okay, your water gauge at over 210 or 220, and your fuel pressure. You could have your fuel pressure gauge if you want to have your fuel pressure dropping below 5 psi. And ultimately, it'll give you a reason to look at your gauges and to shut the vehicle down before hurting the motor. Very simple system, works great. The thing that I would tell you is that also there is a relay out there. We'll show that to you later. That has a 10-second delay that you could plug right into your relay circuits, and so that these buzzards don't go off when you're under cranking, or immediately when you turn the car on. It gives you a chance to get everything up and running so that you don't have to listen to the buzzard all the time. That's it.